You searched how to buy shares of Liminatus Pharma Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LIMN. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy LIMN, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you sign up, you must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LIMN to find Liminatus Pharma Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and check the price chart to view recent performance. Confirm the page clearly displays Liminatus Pharma Inc. and the LIMN ticker before continuing. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order type, fees, and total cost before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a limit. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow these steps.